Tell me how to be closer to you. Tell me how.
What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a bathroom clean with me while I test out a few cleaning hacks that I found on Pinterest. I'm always trying to find quick and easy ways to keep a clean home, so I'm really excited to see if these hacks hold true to what they say they're supposed to. I hope this video inspires and motivates you to get some cleaning done around your house. And hey, you might just find a nice cleaning hack to make the whole process a lot easier. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I would absolutely love to have you. And let's get right into cleaning. So anytime I clean, I always like to start off with any of the countertops and really make sure to get this area wiped down. With us using it on a day-to-day basis, this area does tend to get very dirty pretty quickly. So that's basically what you see me doing right here. Just going in and cleaning off our countertops, and then I'm going to tackle our mirror. Once I'm finished with the counter, I'm then going to take the Mr. Magic eraser and I'm going to use that to wipe off any marks that are on the wall. When I first originally purchased this, I used it incorrectly and the thing practically fell apart. But now I know the right way to use this product, and it's really great for getting any type of stubborn marks or stains that you might have on your wall. So the first hack is going to be an easy way to make your bathroom hardware shine. So you want to take a damp cloth and wipe it down, as you see I'm doing with the faucet. And then you're going to go in with some baby oil, which I'm pretty sure most of us have on hand somewhere in our house. Add a little bit of that to the damp cloth, and then all you have to do is wipe down your hardware. Now, to be honest, I think this was a fail because I really didn't see a big difference. I didn't see any extra shine, but maybe it could just be the type of hardware that we have in our bathroom.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
When you have a small bathroom like ours, maximizing the space is crucial. So I found these clear shelves, I believe from Home Depot, and then I do believe IKEA also sells some as well. And this just allows us to have an extra little bit of storage that we can display some of our things that we use on a day-to-day basis.
Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
The next cleaning hack, you're going to need some dish soap, white vinegar, and then also this type of cleaning brush. I picked mine up from the Dollar Tree. You're gonna add half vinegar, half dish soap into this brush, and then give it a good shake. Take your shower head and wet down your tub a bit, and all you have to do is literally go in and give your tub a good scrubbing. This is definitely one of my favorites because it made the whole cleaning process a lot easier. It was definitely a lot better on my back as well. So this is definitely a hack that I plan on keeping.
You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire. World on fire. You blow my
guys, you're going to need some storage bags, some more white vinegar, and then these clothesline clips or a hair tie. So just pour the rest of the vinegar into the bag, and then you're going to soak your shower head into that vinegar. This is really going to get all of the buildup and gunk that tends to build up around our shower heads and loosen it up so you have a nice, cleaner shower head. So this is going to have to sit for about an hour or so. So while this is sitting and cleaning, I'm going to finish cleaning the rest of the bathroom.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I
Moving on to the next hack, I'm going to take the shower lining off, and rather than throw it out in the garbage can like I traditionally do, I'm actually going to throw this into the wash. I'm not really sure how well it's going to hold up. The shower lining really wasn't too bad, but you can see it does have a little bit of yellowish tint to it. So I'm also going to put it on the gentle cycle just to be safe, and we're going to see how well this hack really is.
best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get your face in the crowd. I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips press against mine after a night out.
Okay, so from the looks of it, it looks like it cleaned the stuff off of it, but I can't wait until I take it off. And I have had it on there for maybe about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So when I took the bag off, you can clearly see that there was a drastic change. The old shower head had, I guess, like this greenish kind of like gunk on it, and that is completely gone. So I let the water run for maybe about 5 minutes or so, and then by this time the shower liner was finished washing, and it actually held up pretty nicely. I was pleasantly surprised.